What is up, my little tater tots? Right now, I'm at Bath & Body Works, and I'm going to be doing back-to-school shopping. Okay, guys, so we just got out of Bath & Body Works, and I think we're going to go shop for clothes now. I don't know where we're going.
We're going to Lululemon.
We're going to Lululemon.
Yeah.
Now, I'm ready to get shopping. So we just got back from Lululemon, and I got some leggings. How many pairs?
3 pairs.
3 pairs.
And the one with the pockets. Every girl should have a pair of pockets.
Yes.
They're awesome.
Because girls don't have pockets. And literally the pockets are like the size of my thigh, and I'm really happy about that. My favorite purchase of the day is definitely this blanket. It's literally so soft and amazing. And right now we're heading back to the car to put away some stuff, and then we're gonna go shopping some more. We're in Urban Outfitters. I don't know why we zoomed in so much. I'm in the men's section because they have really cute graphic tees. I'm thinking about getting this Hermit, whatever his name is, one, or like something else. I went shopping. I think I've been a week in school. It's been pretty good. I'm gonna show you all my clothes that I got. I'm already wearing these camo biker shorts to change out into PE for PE. And actually, this is my first year in middle school, so it's gonna be my first time changing out. I'm pretty excited about it. And I also have this shirt on. It's from Hollister. It says Hollister on my sleeve right there. But yeah, it's early in the morning. I'm kind of tired. I stayed up late last night. It's the weekend. So I have some coffee. I got this from, I think it's called, I cannot think. Oh my god. Okay, move on to the next thing. These cute shorts. I'll probably get dress coded for them, but honestly, I don't care because they're comfy. And they're these, and they're also from Hollister. And basically, they have a bunch of these buttons on them, which I thought was pretty cool. But the only annoying thing about it is you have to keep, every time you go to the bathroom, you have to button it down and then button it all back up. And buttons hurt your fingers, so I'm just like, am I ready to button a bunch of buttons today? And then I'll have to make up my mind before I put them on. Take another power up. I also have this Hollister shirt. Again, not sponsored by Hollister, but really like their stuff. It's nice and stretchy material, and it's really comfortable. I definitely got a size bigger because whenever you're at school, well, whenever I'm at school, I honestly don't care how my appearance looks. Literally last year I wore my pajamas to school, but I can't this year because it's literally on the dress code, don't wear pajamas. But this is close to pajamas. It's really soft. And I got it a little bigger than I needed because it's always comfortable with some leggings. This is really cute. I saw a lot of girls wearing it because it's from Hollister. It has this little flower on it. It's really cute. Also got a bigger size because it's a crop top and we're not allowed to wear crop tops at school. So it has to be like covering your stomach whenever you raise your arms. I got this skirt. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna wear this. It was a one size fits all, and I actually fit in it. This one is from, I think this is from PacSun. Really cute. Has like little like daisies on it. Really cute. Has a zipper in the back, which is kind of annoying because whenever you have your skirt on, you have to like try to like zip it in the back, and you're like, just come up, just come up. I need to take a breather. I'm talking so fast. Well, while we're off track, I want to tell you guys my TikTok. My TikTok is, I forgot it because I changed it this morning before I filmed. Let's see. It's at Aydah_ofish, spelled like the fish, official 123. That's my username on TikTok. And yes, it's the real, it's not a fan account. I actually started TikTok not too long ago, but I have like 100 videos, I think. My first videos aren't like kind of cringy because it was my first time being on it. So don't make fun of me. I probably won't wear these to school, but I thought they were like good for like pajamas. They kind of fit me like leggings, even though they're supposed to be sweatpants. This was, cause like they're really long, but the waist fits me good. I think I got these from Five Below. Five Below has really good sweatpants, so that's like, and like even good clothes. I think that's a good place to go for like clothes and sweatpants because it's pretty cheap. I think I got these for $5. They're really comfy, they're really nice. I like the material. really good. Oh, I have to show you guys this. So I was at Victoria's Secret and I spotted this blanket and I was like, Mom, please, can we get it? And she was like, maybe. And then I said, please. And she goes, fine. And then every night now, she always comes steals it from me to watch it, to have it and watch it with her show. This is literally like the softest blanket. I wish you guys could touch it. It's literally so soft. Literally so soft. So soft, so soft. I wish this was like a sweater. That would be so nice because then you could just always have the softness. Take another coffee break because coffee is really good. If you didn't know, I have like a coffee obsession because I literally love coffee and hot Cheetos. They don't mix that well, but I mean, whatever. Getting a little cold because I have the fan on, so I think I'm gonna use this blanket. Okay, and then I think the next thing is these biker shorts. I got 2 pairs of the biker shorts. I'm wearing the camo ones like I showed you. These are just some black ones and they have cool texturing. These are from Pink and so are my camo ones. You could wear these to school if you're the finger length thing, you know. A lot of schools have that rule. But I can like change out to PE for these. They're really comfortable. And then I also have this other skirt from PacSun. This skirt is like basically the same, it's just like a different pattern and it's short and it has some cute little slits. And then it also has the back zipper, which is kind of annoying like I talked about because whenever you're trying to zip it, it's a little hard because like the zipper is like really long. But it's fine because it's cute. Do anything for fashion. These are really cute. They're kind of like the stretchy bell bottoms. Have you guys ever seen those bell bottoms at Justice? They're like stretchy. These ones are kind of like that and they're kind of like big and baggy. You could use like a buckle or they have like, it came with this little fabric piece kind of like on a robe, you know, and you put it in the holes and then just tighten it on you. But it's really cute. I like the color. The flowers are really cute on it. It matches really well. This could go with like anything. I think this is from American Eagle. It's from American Eagle. Some jeans, it looks like. Got some jeans. Oh, these are my favorite ripped jeans. And in my school, they allow ripped jeans. They just have to be like, the rips can't be like on your thigh, like right there. They can be like on your knees though. So these are cute. I also got these from American Eagle. I really like American Eagles, Hollister, or Apostles. They have a lot of cute stuff there. These spandex, I probably won't wear this to school, probably for like pajamas. I don't even know where these are from, I forgot. That was like a week ago, my brain's dead from school, even though it was only the first week. These are really good for working out and stuff. If you didn't know, I love working out too. I like working out a lot, it's really fun. Because you just feel like you have like something to do and you're like, yeah, I'm working out, I'm getting stronger. And then I have these pajama pants. They're like leggings more than pajama pants, but they have like Christmas thing on it, so I'm just gonna wear them for pajamas. I think these are from Abercrombie. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Abercrombie. Can't pronounce it, but I'll just show you. I think it's Abercrombie. Put those right there. They're really comfy. Nice to have. And then let's see what I got next. Oh, these are literally my favorite leggings. Have pockets in them and they're Lululemon. And if you're a girl, you know that like no girl things have like pockets. Like look how big this pocket is. I'll show you. Like this big. That's where the pocket starts right there and then that's where it ends. That is a big pocket. Pockets are pretty cool in girls' pants. You don't see that a lot. These are also some more workout like shorts because I like working out. My last thing, these shorts. I don't even know where these are from. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so I'm not even gonna try. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I need to have another coffee power run. These are all my amazing clothes that I got for back to school. And my blanket, you can't forget about my blanket. Let me know in the comments below if you have, like if you're in middle school or if you're in elementary school. I want to know all of that because I think that's cool. Big tater tot is apple. Just gotta hide under the blanket. Just gotta hide under the blanket.